So hey y'all, I was going through my face mask and I have some stored in this little, it's really an emergency kit, but I used it to store my face mask in. And then I had all of these other ones that I had in a little container that's back there behind my coffee, a little sequence container. I wanted to get it out of there and put it all into something else. So what I wanted to try to do was fit it all into that other pack, but I just know it's too much and it's not gonna fit. So I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I remembered that I had this Caboodles, and it's a really small one. So I'm going to try to see if I can fit them all in here and maybe some inside of the other case. So when I decided to do this, I thought I'd just pop on so you guys can see the abundance of facial masks that I have, like way too many, right? Oh my gosh, I didn't even know I had this many until I pulled them out that container and opened my other container. I was just like, whoa. So I probably won't be buying face masks for a while until I at least get through one of these cases. I do have another little Caboodles like this that I am going to be putting with the giveaway. I'm trying to get everything together now. I have all the prizes already, so just be patient. Make sure you are subscribed and make sure your notifications are turned on so you'll know when I do post that giveaway video. So I was having a little bit of trouble with fitting them all into the Caboodles. I couldn't get it to close all the way. So I took out a few of the smaller masks and put them into the case, and they fit perfectly. I was able to zip that up, and I was able to close the Caboodles all the way. So I got them all to fit. So now all I have to do is start using these masks, honey, so I can start buying some more. So yeah, y'all, that is it. Just a look at my 100,000 masks. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe.